Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So on this week's episode of Ricksaw, we are going to talk shop upgrades. All right. Some shop upgrades are going to be able to do in just a few hours. Some are going to take multiple weekends. For today's video, what I wanted to talk about is a roundover on the edge of your workbench. Today is round over the edge of our workbench to help with our dust collection hose. Let me show you what I'm talking about. I have the dust collection hose. Now this is on a boom arm. This boom arm connects to my shop vac and my dust topper and 5-gallon bucket over here. I have air on this boom arm and my dust collection. The dust collection hose sometimes will get caught on the edge of the workbench here. And so what we're going to do is simply round this over with an 1/8 inch roundover bit, a nice smooth edge so that nothing gets caught. I'll be operating my dust collection with a remote. I have that set up with a few switches here, and we'll work through that now. Now that we're all set up, let's start the roundover. All right, so I've just completed the roundover. Let's go ahead and double check with the dust collection hose, make sure there's no snags. Flows pretty smoothly. Okay. What I'll do next, is just hit that with a nice clear coat, give it a little final sanding, and we'll be all set. There's your quick shop upgrade of the week.